So, some of you may know how to do this, but if you're new to Minecraft, you won't. I'm going to be showing you how to change your Minecraft skin and your Minecraft username. So, if you have a name and you want to change it because you bought your account from someone else and you want to change the name, and if you want to change your skin to be cooler, I'm going to show you how to kind of customize your Minecraft account. So, let's get into it. So, step one is open your browser, whatever your browser is, Google, Chrome, whatever. And when it comes up, just look up Minecraft skins. I did not spell Minecraft right up there, but that's okay. There's a bunch of websites you can go to, but I suggest going to Minecraft Skins, download the best Minecraft skins, is what it's called. I will put a link in the description to all the websites you're going to need to go to. So, go to this website, and it already has a bunch of made skins. You can go to movie characters, TV characters, game characters, people, fantasy, mob, and of course other, which is like anything that doesn't fit in those suggestions or whatever. You can even search for different skins that you want, like a cacti or something, and it'll pull up. Oh, really? They have no cactus skins? Hold up. Cactus. Okay, I guess not. But you can find a bunch of skins on here. It is super easy to use. So what you're going to want to do is find the skin you want. There's also little sections over here. You know what? Let's just do a simple skin like, let's see, let's go to games. Let's just pick, let's just pick Plastic Alex. This is a pretty cool skin. And then, let me show that again. Once you click it, you just click it and it'll take you to here. You would think you would click change, but that's not what you want to click. You're going to want to click edit. So when you click edit, it's going to take you to here. You can look around it and all that. And you can also customize it, change the way it looks and whatnot, change these different colors to different colors, and, just make it however you want. It's just really cool. You can customize the skin to be however you like it. And when you're done customizing your skin, you then want to either click, I think it's upload, or no, I think it's change. You then click change, and it will take you to your Minecraft profile. Now, here's the part I'm not going to show. You have to log into your account, and then once you're signed into your account, you either click if you want the classic style, which is just the normal arms, or if you want the slim style, which is the skinny arms. Then you scroll down, and you can look at your skin, and then you click upload. Once you click upload, it will go into your Minecraft account, and it will be your new skin. And you can just change your skin from here. Now, to change your Minecraft skin name, you're going to want to go to your browser, just like we did before, but this time, you're not looking up Minecraft skins, you're not looking up Minecraft names or anything, you're simply going to look up Mojang, just like that. And then it's going to pull up Mojang account, which that's what you're going to want to click. Obviously, there's going to be a link in the description that you can click, and then you need to log in. So, this is where it's going to take you. You simply want to go down to here where it says profile name and click change. So that's going to take you to here, and you type your desired name, whatever you want. I'm not going to do it because I like my username, and just to let you know, once you change it, you cannot change it for another 30 days. You also have to put in your password and then click change name. But I'm not going to do that, but that is as simple as it gets. You just gotta load into Minecraft, exit Minecraft and go in a few times for it to actually load, because it's not gonna be instant. But yeah, that's really how you change your name in Minecraft. And it is a really simple task to do. That is literally that is one of the easiest ways, or it is the easiest way, because it is the only way. But those are the easy ways to change your skin and username in Minecraft. So if you needed help with that, leave a like on this video to let me know if this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you next time in a brand new YouTube video or tutorial. See you later. Bye.